Hi all. Yeah, in this video, we'll discuss basic details of the data, okay, database and DBMS or DBMS. Okay, so let's talk about data. Data can be anything. Okay, student data, okay, employee data, okay, the product customer related data, some hospital related data, some accounts related data. Okay, data like can be like text or number, okay, or in the form of video, in the form of audio, images, okay, it can be anything. Okay, so if you go to anywhere, if you go to any college, right, okay, their student data will generate, keep on, okay, one student will join, okay, so and so class, right, okay, they will take all your details, right, okay, your name, your father name, mother name, your address details. Okay, then you are going to join any one of the class. The details they will store. Okay, then they will main. Then we need to pay some fee, right? Okay, some data they will record everything. Okay, their data will generate. And once you join any company, okay, there also data will generate. You will join any one of the department. Okay, you will do for you they will do some transaction, right, means every month they will pay some salary. Okay, again you are taking some leaves, right, okay, they, okay, so whatever you do, okay, some data will generate. Okay, if any customer purchasing any product, okay, the order ID will generate, okay, some, okay, for all the, okay, for entire thing one invoice will generate, some data will generate. Okay, like that data will generate. Okay, so like this data will generate. Okay, so if you take any business, right, okay, you'll see all these business objects like entities. Okay, entity is nothing but in like in the database term like table. Okay, nothing but table. Okay, how to create the table, how to store the data, we will see, okay, later. Okay, once we complete all theory part, okay, maybe theory part like three or four session, four videos only. Okay, after that we'll see practically. Okay, see, so we'll consider employee data. Okay, if you want to store employee data in employee table, okay, in employee object. Okay, so business object or entity, okay, both are same. Okay, so product object, okay, customer object. Okay, so what are the activities means whatever you do transactions, right, okay, one student is joining, okay, one customer is purchasing some product, okay, and every month employee taking the salary. Okay, like the, like that transactions will happen, right. Okay, those are activities. So here any real-time entity is a business object. Okay, so business is collection of entities, means all these tables, okay, and their activities means transactions. Okay, now database. So here data available where we are storing. Okay, wherever we are storing this data, it is nothing but database. Okay, I'm not giving any name as a database. Down the line we will see what is exactly database. Okay, so why we use database we use to store the data and organize and analyze. Okay, so collection of related data that gives real world entities. This is nothing but this one. Okay, now information. So information we will derive from the data, from whatever we are capturing data, right, and business object plus these activities. Okay, out of this one, right, we will generate some information. Okay, like simple one like I want so and so customer ID 111. Okay, like which product he purchasing more, which product he purchasing multiple times. the same product again and again. So customer is purchasing. Okay, I want to find out, or indirectly, which product. Okay, okay, more customers are buying. Okay, I want product level, which product. Okay, okay, okay. I want like simply. Okay, which product. Okay, more customers are interested. I want to know. Okay, so based on this, whatever the order ID is, we'll take the all the orders and we'll check the product wise. Okay, okay, then which product, okay, is more interested to buy, to buy by the customers. Okay, that is information. Okay, now why use information to take decisions, right? Suppose if any product is, okay, purchased by the more customers, means we need to, okay, make available, right, this product. Okay, means you need to increase our particular that product. Okay, and more stock. Okay, coming to database. Okay, as I told, right, any data, okay, wherever you are storing, okay, that will become as a database. Okay, now go back, take a step back. Okay, one person available. Okay, he has book. Okay, here whatever, okay, that guy, okay, comes to his mind, whatever he thinking, right, he keep on writing. Okay, he started with one book. Okay, he completed that book, then he took second book. Okay, he completed that book. He took third book, he completed that one. He he took fourth book, he completed that one. Like that, the moment book is completed, he is taking next book and will writing. Okay, here in this case, what is the database? Here is the book is database, right? Now take forward one step. Okay, now another person, okay, he is keeping the data in notepad files in the computer. Notepad files. He is opening one notepad. Okay, he keep on writing. Okay, he is opening system. He is opening notepad. Okay, then he keep on writing. Okay, where this data file will store. Okay, in the hard disk, right? How means, file system, right? Okay, so you have a system, you will install OS, right, operating system. Okay, then operating system you will get one file system, means whatever you are creating the files, right, the file system know, okay, how to store the how to store those files in the hard disk. Clear? Now, so whatever you are writing the data in the notepad files, right? Okay, notepad files. Okay, indirectly where it is storing in the hard disk. Here, what is the database? Okay, in the hard disk your data is storing. Okay, clear, right? Now, if you observe, okay, I opened one notepad book. Okay, so I written some data like emp related data. Okay, here is the header, employee e-name, job, mgr. So once you open the file, it will be look like this one. Clear? So how means, this is the file. Okay, this is the file. Okay, our file system know how to store the data in the hard disk. Clear? Now, he in this case book this notepad file, right? Both are databases only. Okay, but we have drawbacks. Means in book, right? Okay, at the same time multiple people cannot access. Okay, if you lose this book, there is a chance, okay, we may lose this book, right? We may we can keep somewhere else book, okay, we may forget, okay. If you're not able to remember that one, means book is gone. Whatever the data available in this book, we cannot return, right? The same, okay. Here also, see, I open this notepad, uh, so particular this file, right? The same time, another person, okay, cannot access this one. Clear, right? Okay. Not only this drawback, we have so many drawbacks. Okay. So suppose I want to share this information. What I have to do? I have to send this file. Okay. I have to copy this entire file, and I need to, okay, send to that one guy. Means again he will open the same file, right? Same set, same file, EMP. He will open same file. Means indirectly data available here and data same data available in another system also. Means data is duplicating. Clear, right? Okay. Now come to here. What is the file system is? Just the way, okay? Just this is the way, okay? Organizing, storing the data in the hard disk, as I told earlier. Okay. So file system know, okay, how to organize the data in the hard disk. That's it. Okay. Now disadvantages of this file system. See here. See, difficulty managing the data means I want to update, okay, so and so value. It's a very difficult. Okay. Okay. So I need to open this file. I need to remove this file. I need to remove this word, and I need to replace with new word, right? Okay. So to do these changes, right? We can do. It's not like it's impossible, but it will take time. It will be very difficult. Okay. Here see department, right? Department something, department number 30 there. Okay. Now what I have to do? Now department 30 not there. Okay. Department 30 we change it to some other number like 70. Then what I have to do? I have to come to here. Okay. Manually I need to find out this wherever 30 there. Then I need to replace with 70. Okay. It's a very difficult, right? Then one more problem. Same file, right? We say to some other guy, right? There also we need to change, right? Whatever the changes we are doing here, here also we need to do, right? Okay. So managing is very difficult. And security also. Anyone can come and open once they have uh, basic access to particular this computer can open, right? Yes, we can play some, we can do some restriction, but how many files like this you can keep? Okay. So here I'm talking about only employee object. What about these objects? Department object, product object, some transaction related object. Okay, customer object. It's very difficult to maintain. Data inconsistency means, as I told, right? Once we assume the same file we say to the 10 people, there is no guarantee that, right? How we change these values, those people are also changing. No, right? We may forget. We do some changes here. We may forget to inform to them, right? So data inconsistency. Here is one value there. Here is not the same value. Okay. So data redundant, as I told, right? Data available here in the one file. Here also available, right? Okay. Poor memory utilization. That is nothing but poor. We are not, okay. Data is duplicated here. Okay. That is nothing but poor memory utilization. Okay. Now come to DBMS. Okay. So if you use databases like books and notepad file, okay, so these are the disadvantages. Then what we have to do, you will see down the line. So I hope you understand what is the data, what is database, okay, what is information, okay, in the database, okay. Few examples I gave, book and notepad files. Let's see down the line another databases, how it will helpful. Okay. Now, see here, now we'll discuss regarding the DBMS. Okay. See, DBMS is nothing but database management system. Okay. This is just a software. Okay. So DBMS will come into the picture whenever you are dealing with large amount of data only. Okay. When this database management system software will come. Okay. When we have large data. Okay. So accessing data by multiple users at that time. As I told right here, multiple people cannot access at the same time. Okay. But using the DBMS, okay, multiple people can access the same data. Okay. And this, okay, and this DBMS, right, will provide acid properties, means atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. We will discuss regarding these four properties, okay, down the line. Okay. Now, see, I'm not taking any database management system name here. Okay. Also, we have database software. Okay. DBMS software. Okay. Now, one file is available. Also, not a one file. So, how we will store the data in the DBMS means in the form of table. Like, see how we are representing here. This one, see, all we have headers. Okay. Rows we have. See, like this we can represent in the, suppose we have one table, EMP table here. Okay. The same table. Okay. One user can access from the Germany. One user can access from the Azure. This, whatever the software where we install it, assume in the UK. Actual system available in the UK, but from the Germany also we can access. From the USA also we can access. From India also we can access the same table. From Australia also we can access same table. Okay. Now this table is available, right? Okay. How to create the table we will see later. Okay. Okay. Exactly how this data is storing. Okay. We are creating the table. That's right. Using this software. Whatever the software we'll see. What are the softwares are available. Okay. You'll see in the industry. Okay. We have MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL. Okay. MongoDB. We have so many softwares. Okay. Database software. Okay. And take any software. Okay. We have SQL syntax to create the table. Okay. To insert the data. Okay. Then how this data will store, where exactly this storing, in again same data where it is storing, hard disk only. Okay. Who is organizing this data? Again file system only. But this time file system will store these files in which format, based on the database software. If that is Oracle software, how data will store in the form of files, here table only. Here we are getting the table only. But once we insert the data in the table, how it will store means our file system, the data will store in the form of the files only. But what is the format? If the software is Oracle, .dbm. If software is MySQL, .ibd format. Okay. If software is Microsoft SQL, .mdm. Like that, it will store. Okay. Then how it will represent. If data is available in the file, how it will represent, it doesn't matter. The software will take. Okay, simply for each select star from EMP, if you keep select star from EMP, if you just hit this statement, the data right from the software know, okay, where this file is available, particular this table, EMP table, okay, the data will represent logically, not physically. Physically, how data will store in the files. Logically, it will represent data like this using the software. I hope you understand. Okay, so database and DBMS equal to database system. Okay, so here also data is storing in hard disk only. But how in such a format, how this software can understand? Okay, so directly we can access these files? No, only using the SQL only. Okay, we can access these files. Clear? But above case, directly we can go particular folder, we can open this file. But here not possible. That is difference. Okay. Now, when we call system as a database management system, any system providing services like authentication means if you want to access particular database, you have to give username and password and provide the security. Okay, then you have to create and insert, update, delete. Means create means creating the table, inserting the data, updating the data, deleting the data, and okay, if you provide all this, okay, any system, then we'll call that one as a database management system. Okay, now so if you take advantages, okay, so data, okay, we can see in the structured format. See, this is structured format. Okay, and avoid the redundancy. Okay, means data available in only one place only can access by the multiple people from the multiple locations. Okay, data like consistency. Okay, data consistency means we are not maintaining multiple copies. Okay, data will be available in consistent state only. Okay, can access data from the any location. Okay, concurrent access means multiple people can access the same data employee table at the same time. Okay, and required data can be, okay, access means I can give access only for three columns only for particular user, for particular, okay, role. I can do like that also. Okay, everything we'll discuss. Okay, and provide the security, restrict the access. Okay, so it's not like whoever having the access particular this, okay, database can access means can see the data from the all the tables. No, it's not like that. Okay, so we can restrict, so particular user what can see, which table can see the data, in which table, in which tables cannot see the data, like that we can provide the access. Okay, locking mechanism in the sense so and so person, right, updating so and so record in the assume employee table. Okay, other persons, okay, cannot do the update operation on the same time. Okay, once he completed updation, like once he do whatever the changes, okay, then he save the data, means save in the sense commit. Okay, then he can proceed, can access the same data, then he can update. Clear it? Like that, consistency will maintain. Okay. Regarding the acid properties, we will see in the next video. Okay, as I told, right? As I told, right? Okay, achieving this functionality. Okay, using only file system not possible. Okay, whatever we discussed, right? Okay, using only file system not possible. We need one software. Okay, we need software that it can be anything. Okay, so as I told, right, how we are storing the data in the database in the form of table. Okay, table is nothing but business object stores, okay, the data in the form of rows, means records. Okay, what table contains means table contains, okay, rows and columns. Columns means header. Okay, how we can check the structure of the table using this command. We will see practically everything. How we can, okay, access the data using this command. Let's start from table. Okay, so whatever we were discussing, right, this one, this is nothing but metadata. Metadata means header of this, okay, table. Okay, rows are this. Okay, now what is RDBMS? So RDBMS means database management system only, but it will maintain relationship between the one object to another object. If you take here, department is one object, employee is another object. Okay, we are maintaining relationship based on the department. Okay, the moment you start organization, you will create the departments, right? Okay, then later you will try to hire people particular department. Got it, right? So you need to store and process the data, RDMS, but here R means you are maintaining the relationship between the entities, okay, or business objects or tables. Clear? Okay, I believe, okay, you people are understanding. Now, if you see here, what kind of databases are available? We have two kinds. One is OLTP, one is OLAP. Okay, so following videos we'll discuss more about this one. What is online transaction processing, online article processing? Okay, why we use. Okay, to interact with any database. Okay, we need, okay, SQL, structured query language. Okay, this is standard. Okay, directly we cannot access the data. Okay, via SQL only we can interact with. Okay, here see few few examples of databases. So on premises traditional databases. Okay, what is on premises, what is traditional database, we'll discuss. Okay, uh, next videos. Okay, so if you see example, Oracle we have Terra data, okay, and SQL Server, MySQL, DBT. Okay, we have NoSQL databases also, that is MongoDB. NoSQL means, okay, data will not be available in the form of, okay, as a structure like this. Data will not be available like this. Okay, here is structured formatted. Data will not be available. Data available in the form of like JSON. Okay, NoSQL, right? Data available. Okay, in the form of JSON. We'll see what is a JSON. Okay. Once we start the practical, we'll see. Okay. Now cloud database. Okay. So that's what we are going to learn in this. Okay. Snowflake. Okay. Once we complete the basics, okay, we'll jump into the Snowflake. What is the Snowflake database? Okay. Why we are categorize this one as a cloud database? Okay. What is the difference between on-premises and cloud? Okay. We'll discuss everything. Okay. Okay, that's all for this video. Okay, next we'll see what is the OLTP, what is the OLAP, what is the data warehouse. Okay, we'll see. Thank you.